Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I do nails, and I'm also the owner of Sunflower Nail on Etsy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did these St. Patrick's Day nails. They turned out super duper cute. Sorry, my phone keeps falling out of the steering wheel. Anyways, if you can't tell, I'm in a different car than I normally am. I finally got a car. My sister gave me hers, so that's super exciting. I just have to get my license now, and then I can start going on trips a little bit more and doing more stuff. But anyways, that's all I can think of right now, so I'll talk to you guys at the end. Hope you enjoy the video. Starting these nails off, I'm going to go ahead, and I already did the new base on these nails because it's going to be a relatively simple nail set, but I wanted to make sure that it went relatively quickly also. So first off, I'm going to start with the black polish in 226 by Goy, I think it's how you would say it, Gaoy. And I'm going to take my thinnest medium length nail brush and just create a basic French tip. I won't say simple, but basic French tip, and I'm just going to do that to all the nails. After that is all done, I'm going to go in with my Beetles green Cateye gel in color F702, and I'm just going to apply that where the black is and magnetize it. But anyway, sorry for the interruption, but I'm going to, after I put it on the full nail, I'm going to cure as soon as I magnetize it so the magnetic particles doesn't spread out again. And then I move on to the next nail and then cure it. And then at the end, I'll just cure it for a full 60 seconds to make sure they're all cured and 100% cured. those are all done, I am going to go in with a matte top coat. This is a chrome proof top coat. I prefer this one. I have really started to grow and like the Goy brand a lot because all the products I use from them are really great, and I use most of them for the prep of my nails or the top finishing of them, like the top coat, the base coat, the matte top coat, and I use also like their peel off base coat. I use their builder gel. I have really started liking this brand, but I'm going to go ahead and put my matte top coat on all the nails and cure it for 60 seconds to make sure that matte top coat is fully cured. Is curing, I'm going to go ahead and mix my chrome designated top coat with the black, as I do for all my chrome designs, and I'm going to take my fine brush again, and to create the shamrocks I'm just going to create a heart, and then right beside that create another heart with just leaving a tiny gap in between the two, and then turn to the side or straight across mirrored, I'm going to create another heart, and then I put a little line down. And if you want a 4-leaf clover, you just gotta turn the top heart to the side a little bit more, and then add another heart to it, and then add the stem. And then I'm only curing this for 30 seconds. The reason I only do 30 seconds is it makes the top coat still sticky, so it really makes that mirror effect happen with the chrome, and I really prefer it this way. I just have now stuck to doing this. After I finish all those shamrocks, sorry for my stuttering today, it's been a long day. when I'm recording this, so don't mind that. But I'm going to go ahead and take my green chrome, and I'm just going to rub that on all of the shamrocks, and then I'm going to take a white sponge wedge that I get from Walmart and wipe away all the excess chrome, and then use my chrome designated top coat to seal in just the shamrock. And then I've done this off and on, but I use rubbing alcohol to wipe away all the extra chrome powder after I put the top coat on and cure it on just the shamrock, so that way when I go to put the final top coat on, it doesn't move as much, and I also don't use as much chrome designated top coat for topping off the chrome. I don't know why I've started doing that, but I prefer to do it that way, so that's what I do for all of the nail sets. Like I show here I'm wiping off all the extra chrome, and then like I said, I'll put the glossy top coat that's designated for my chrome over just the shamrock, and then I'll go in with my final top coat and top coat the rest of those, and they're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a like and comment down below more nail ideas you'd like to see. I think I'm going to start steering away from doing vlogs even on my markets, because they don't seem to do as well as my videos on how to do the nails, so I might steer away from the vlogs for a little bit, but we'll see, because I do have, come May, I have 2 markets within 2 weekends, so I would have content for those weeks, or the weeks after I meant, but if it's not gonna be a good video to upload, then I won't upload it as much anymore. So I am so excited to show you guys some of the nail sets I have for that market that I want to make. I will do a video of all the other nails I made for the market, or if you want to just see them before that, go ahead and hit up my Instagram and my Facebook and my TikTok and all that, because I usually end up posting there before I post on YouTube. Sometimes I only post on YouTube before I post on there. It really depends on the week and what I'm doing that week, but Instagram is the best option if you want to see more nails that I do more often, because I like posting on Instagram. It's simple. So yeah, and I'm also sitting out in my car because my daughter is playing and I just don't feel like being outside for very long. So I also just wiped the whole car down because it was pretty bad. It's still pretty bad because there's dirt and everything, but anyways, that's not the point of this. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I really enjoy having you here. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.